Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we will be doing a DIY where we'll be replacing this cowl with this in order to move the seat back and forth. I mean left and right. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, first thing we'll need to do is remove this cowl. So just use a plastic pry tool, take it out, put it aside, remove this, just push it to the front. Okay. Next thing we will need to remove is this plastic cowl. So there's a tab at the back where you use a normal screwdriver like this and then push up and just unclip it. Okay, so that's the clip. So what you need to do is you need to push it up like this and then just slide it out. Next thing we need to remove is two bolts here, one here and one on top here. So these are size 10 mm. Once we got those two out, we need to remove the two screws over here and one more over here, right in the inside of it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Once we got those screws out, what we will need to do is unclip this by pulling it out. Okay, then just pull it out. Okay, so you'll be coming out from here into here. So you have this. Next thing we need to do is we need to unclip this. Okay, then we need to pull this. Okay, we're just gonna make it loose by pulling it a bit. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to pull this cowl a bit. I'm gonna need two hands, so I'll need to pull this and then push this because it's actually held on by 4 clips. If you see over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, once you have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4 clips loose, just need to wiggle it out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 clips, 2 screws and something that tied it over here. Okay, so with the new one, what we need to do is there's a clip here. We just need to move it up a bit, not a lot. If it breaks, it's okay. Okay, what we need to do, we need to cut this off and then attach it from the back here into here. Okay, once you have gotten it down, what you need to do is there's 2 clips here that actually slides in like that. So you need to align it with this side, and there's one more on over here as well. So align it, then slide it in. Okay, once you are done with it, it takes a while to actually align it. As you can see, I can manage to damage myself a bit. Okay, once it's done, 2 screws here, 1 screw here, 1 bolt, this plastic clip, this plastic cowl, this one, and this one slide back in, and we will be done. And as you can see, all you just to do is just pull this, and you're gonna need the other hand. Okay, so for those who have not followed my videos, you probably don't know what that lever is used for. If you notice, this is the mid-row seats. It's very close to each other. It normally isn't, so that's what this lever does. All right. Okay, so what it does is once you pull the lever, you can move it. You can slide it left and right. Okay, by sliding it to the middle, you get to push it further back. By going to the left, you will be at your normal position. Okay, so you can see the difference of space you can make. Alright, so that's the purpose of this lever. That's the end of this DIY. Pretty, I wouldn't say it's difficult, but it takes time. Okay, so that's the end of this DIY. As usual, I hope you learned something out of this. If you do, hit this. My neighbor's passing by, so it's a bit noisy. So as usual, if you have learned something, hit this, hit the bell button so you get notified on our next upload, or you know what, hit subscribe. I seriously would appreciate it. In the meantime, these are the things that I'll be throwing away, no longer in use. And just a sneak peek of what is our next DIY, so you get a bit more interested. See ya.